Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about black sesame seeds. As you know, there are two types of sesame seeds, white sesame seeds and black sesame seeds. So among white sesame seeds and black sesame seeds are of much better quality as compared to white sesame seeds. White sesame seeds also have their own benefits, but the best but if you ask which is best, whether white sesame seed or black sesame seed, so black sesame seed is better in qualities and are more beneficial for women's health. As you know, many times this happen, like women deal with amenorrhea, that means missing of menstruation or missing periods or missing monthly blood flow or irregular periods. Sometimes after 28 days regularly periods doesn't come, or sometimes periods comes after 2 months, sometimes after 3 months. So this irregularity happens and it gives a woman a lot of tension, because if she is not in her menopause age and if she is after her puberty, then when the timings of periods becomes irregular, it is always sudden fear like when it will come, or sometimes happen like or sometimes this happen we feel like what's wrong, why they are not coming, what is wrong with my cycles, why my cycles are so irregular, and sometimes it happening to other women, and sometimes it's happening, sometimes not happening, but with other women these cycles are very regular, why it is with me. So lot of thoughts keep coming and going in our heads, and sometimes it also gives hidden anxiety, like maybe there is some problem, maybe there is something. So one and the very simple thing to rule out if there is some problem regarding ovaries or uterus or anything, regarding that, first thing is don't get scared. Oh, why it's happening, what happening, don't keep thinking. There are very simple solutions. First thing is, if you really feel like there is something or you are very worried, so one of the solution is you go to a doctor, radiologist, and take a ultrasound, whole abdomen ultrasound. It is a very painless technique. Just ultrasound is just like, you know, they will make you lie down and they just move the instrument over your stomach, they put some jelly kind thing, and then just, as you know how ultrasounds happen, right? So you just go and take ultrasound. This will give you a clear view like where is the problem, and if in ultrasound no problem get detected and still you feel you have irregular cycles and periods are not coming on time, then in this situation Ayurveda can help you a lot. So let's try to understand what is the thing, why it is happening, and how we can come over it with some natural things and changing little bit of lifestyle and diet. As you know, these black sesame seeds, and in various Devi temples, the prasadam, that is in Hindu culture, in Hindu tradition, as a gift from God, that is called prasadam, that contains sesame seeds. Especially in Devi temples it happens. Whenever you go to some Devi temples, many Devi temples, they give these sesame seeds as a prasadam. One of the example regarding this is Isha Devi temple. If you go to Devi temple, the prasadam that you get in return of some offering or in general also, it contains sesame seeds. So you can understand how beautifully the woman's health was related with sesame seeds traditionally also, because if it is Devi temple, she will offer you sesame seeds for the well-being of woman. So, in Ayurveda also sesame seeds are being used for ages for the well-being of woman. The good point about these sesame seeds is it is very rich in calcium. So, as you know, woman after menopause deals with calcium loss a lot, and even during after post pregnancy also sometimes there is this calcium loss. So, in these conditions in ancient ages or ancient times, people were providing woman a little pinch of these sesame seeds, so that her calcium needs will be fulfilled naturally in the form of certain Swedish or certain kind of halwas or certain kind of dishes which were very popular in Indian traditions earlier. Like after delivering a child, woman's health is weak, so she cannot eat whatever she wants. There is a specific protocol, there was a specific protocol, now though it has been gone everywhere, but there was, like you need to eat this, you need not to eat this, you need not to have vata enhancing things and much more. So, in that thing sesame seeds will also be provided so that her metabolism will become stable. As you know, after post pregnancy there is a lot of weight gain in many women. So, in that context also we were using sesame seeds, but right now I will focus more on amenorrhea, because we are making this video regarding amenorrhea, that is irregular menstrual cycle. I am just go off topic, sorry for that. So, in amenorrhea or irregular periods, Ayurveda recommend the use of sesame seeds, especially if you have amenorrhea, that is irregular cycles or no periods at all, and weight gain in the middle half of your body. If it is causing weight gain in the middle half of your body, in these conditions use of sesame seeds is being recommended in Ayurveda. But make sure in these conditions you should first go for ultrasound. Even if ultrasound comes to be total proper, there is no problem detected, but still the periods are irregular and reason nobody knows. In these cases sesame seeds you can give it a try. These are extremely beneficial, especially black sesame seeds, but make sure they should not be very old or they should not contain any kind of bad smell. Like smell of fungus or stored for long ages, like no oil left in sesame seeds. These kind of seeds should not be used. It should be used within these sesame seeds should be used within a year. Like it should not be very old, because you see, if you see very old sesame seed and if you break it and if you rub on the hand, there will be no oil in that seed. So, this kind of seed will not be beneficial. The kind of seed you will use only which contains oil, and it is very much an aroma, it is very visible. If you eat little bit you can figure out like which kind of seed is beneficial. So, in amenorrhea and these kind of problems or irregular periods, amenorrhea means missing menstruation, amenorrhea means missing menstruation for 2-3 months. But at the same time make sure, like you should, if you are planning to get pregnant or if there is a pregnancy, then do not take these seeds. But if you know like there is no pregnancy, you are very sure about it, and especially a woman who is very sure like there is no pregnancy, but still the periods are irregular. In these cases I am recommending these sesame seeds. How to use it? You take a half teaspoon of these sesame seeds, like pinch, more than a pinch, half teaspoon is more than a pinch, and you soak it in a water overnight. In the morning you just throw that water, filter these seeds and mix it with the piece of jaggery, that is palm sugar, natural jaggery, in Indian palm sugar you can understand. Mix it up and just eat it. in the morning after food. And this way you need to use these sesame seeds 7 to 8 days before your expected date of menstruation. So, this will help you to bring your periods regular on time. And if you keep eating it on the regular basis whole month, it will cause excessive heat in the system. So, do not use it like this, just use it for 7 days, 7 days before your expected date of periods. This will help to regulate the menstrual flow, and it will eventually also balance the menstrual cycles. Because if menstrual cycles are disturbed because of lack of calcium, it will help. If lack of magnesium, zinc, all these minerals it has, and it is very, very beneficial for health of a woman. But if you overuse it or if you excessively use it, it can cause bad effects like nausea, loss of appetite, loss of urine, and all these problems will happen if you not use the way I recommended. Or if there is already excessive heat in your system, then avoid using sesame seeds, because sesame seeds are already hot in potency. These are very beneficial for vata and kapha, but it is but at the same time, as it enhances the heat in the system, because it is hot in potency, you need to have a lot of fruits to subside the heat that will be produced by use of sesame seeds. So, regarding that, what you can do, you can add a big bowl of fruits in the morning, make your diet 50% raw, 50% cooked. Cooked, when I am saying freshly cooked, which should be consumed within 3 hours of cooking. At the same time, try excessive sugars, because already in the morning you are taking this jaggery tablets. You need to take it only once a day. It is not like morning, evening, just once a day after a food, and that it will become a small tablet kind, tablet of these sesame seeds and jaggery. When you mix it, it will become paste kind, and then you just eat it. It is very tasty in eating also. At the same time, it is very beneficial to bring your periods on time. And especially the women who are dealing with amenorrhea and no, that is missing periods or no periods at all, and the reason is not pregnancy. Like amenorrhea, one of the reason is also pregnancy. So, it is very important you check for pregnancy first, whether it is you are pregnant or not. If you are not pregnant and still periods are not coming, ultrasound is okay, then you can try it, and it will help you to regulate your periods. But do not use it whole month, because it will cause excessive heat in the system, that is not good for health. So, only for 7 days you use it, and I am sure it will help you. There can be many reasons for amenorrhea. It is not like this is only reason for amenorrhea and only sesame seeds will help it, or these lack of menstruation or scanty menstruation. There are a lot of reasons. I will try to make videos regarding it, because missing periods or lack of periods, this is not the only reason. Like if you eat sesame seeds, it will happen. It is not like that. But yes, sesame seeds are being used to solve this kind of amenorrhea problems. There are much more things in Ayurveda that we use to treat amenorrhea, but it depends on patient to patient and patient's body type and prakriti and much more. So, other medicines I cannot recommend just generally, because then people will start taking self medication, which is not good for them. So, I am recommending a general home remedy from your kitchen, so that you need not to go for very expensive treatments and you need not to live in worry. At the same time, try to keep your mind relaxed as far as it possible. How you can relax your mind? You can focus on your diet, you can try Isha yoga, meditations, these are very beneficial, or any meditation or any yoga from a trustworthy source. That will also help in the maintenance of health of your mind, and at the same time you can also use these our videos, various videos we have created for health and well-being. And regarding sesame oil also we have created a video, you can check out the link down below in the description. Also Ekadashi you can start doing, that is also beneficial to detox your body naturally. So regarding that also we have created a video and the link is in description box below, you can click on that link and make use of it. So that was about sesame seeds. At the same time you can also apply this oil on your head and on your face or on your body. You can do abhyang, that is a way of massage, and how to do it, when to do it, how it is beneficial. Regarding that, all the information is there in abhyanga video, and we already have created Ayurveda massage video, you can make use of it. So today I am not talking about sesame oil. Regarding that I already have given you link down in the description below, so you can make use of it. And this sesame seeds you can use for amenorrhea, it is very beneficial for your health. Also one more precaution need to be taken care, like don't overuse it, don't overdose it. And at the same time the woman who are having pitta body type, they should never use it in excess because it will cause excessive heat in the system. At the same time, those women who are very fat because of this amenorrhea reasons and or missing menstruations, so these sesame seeds are also beneficial to enhance the metabolism by enhancing the digestive fire. As you know, Devi temples, they are more related with fire, red color, and sesame seeds, that's why maybe that's why they were using as a prasadam. I am not sure about it, but definitely there will be some connection, otherwise why they will give sesame seeds as a prasadam in some temples. So you also make use of this prasadam, and I hope it will help you. And if you have any questions, you please write down in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today's video, and if you are watching me for the first time, please click the subscription button, hit the bell icon so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. All of you who are watching us, who are supporting us, who are giving us so much love, we are very thankful to all of you. Thank you so much for all the love and care you are giving us. We are really humbled, and we are very happy to get your support. Thank you so much. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and don't forget to share and like if you like my channel. Thank you. Bye. Take care.